Hello guys, welcome to Kamak channel. This is Elvis. Today I'm at the workshop and behind me I want to introduce you guys a side of big steam boiler. As you can see, this is a giant steam boiler with a capacity of 6 tons per hour and it is used as a heat source of our palm oil mill equipment, matching with our palm oil mill plant with 15 ton per hour capacity. And for this kind of boiler, we can use different type of fuel, and you can even choose empty bunches as the fuel. Yes, to turn the waste into the fuel. Now please follow my camera. Let me show you guys more details about this boiler. Thank you very much.